If you're considering ClearVoice for your social media management and analytics needs, there are 12 essential things you need to know before you buy. By the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of how ClearVoice stacks up against its competitors like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, and Buffer. Let's dive in. The first thing to know is that ClearVoice stands out with its integrated content creation and management system. Unlike other tools that focus solely on scheduling, ClearVoice enables you to create, collaborate, and schedule content all within the platform. It's a great choice if you need an all-in-one tool for both content creation and social media management. Next thing to consider is its analytics dashboard. ClearVoice offers a comprehensive analytics suite that tracks performance across multiple platforms, providing insights into how your posts are performing. This is great for businesses looking to measure the ROI of their social media efforts, but it's important to note that competitors like Sprout Social offer more advanced and customizable reporting. The third thing is pricing. ClearVoice has a straightforward pricing structure with plans that scale according to the size of your business. While it's not the cheapest option out there, it offers a solid set of features for its price point. However, if you're looking for budget-friendly options, Buffer's lower tier plans might be more appealing. The fourth thing is its integration with other platforms. ClearVoice integrates with major social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, as well as third-party apps like Google Analytics. This makes it easier to manage your content across multiple platforms. However, compared to Hootsuite, ClearVoice has fewer integration options for advanced tools like Salesforce. Next up, you'll want to think about team collaboration. ClearVoice excels here, offering features that allow multiple team members to collaborate seamlessly. You can assign roles, approve content, and track progress all in one place. It's definitely one of its stronger points, but again, Sprout Social offers even more detailed collaboration features if that's important to you. The sixth thing to know is the user interface. ClearVoice interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it a solid choice for beginners. If you're used to complex tools like Hootsuite, there may be a small learning curve, but overall, it's user-friendly. Now, let's talk about the scheduling feature. ClearVoice offers a reliable scheduling tool, allowing you to plan and publish posts across multiple platforms. It's simple and efficient, but if you need more advanced features like automated scheduling based on engagement data, you might want to consider alternatives like Sprout Social. The eighth thing is content curation. ClearVoice offers content discovery features that help you find and curate relevant content for your audience. While this is a helpful tool, other competitors like Buffer have more robust content curation features that may be better suited for larger teams or businesses. The ninth thing is customer support. ClearVoice offers excellent customer support with a dedicated team available through live chat and email. However, compared to Hootsuite's 24/7 support, the availability could be more limited depending on your plan. The 10th thing is its scalability. ClearVoice is a solid option for small to mid-sized businesses. If you're a large enterprise or need more customization, tools like Sprout Social offer more scalable solutions that can grow with your business. Next, consider the mobile app. ClearVoice has a mobile app that allows you to manage social media on the go. It's decent, but some users report that it lacks certain features available on the desktop version, making it less comprehensive compared to Hootsuite's mobile app. The 12th and final thing to consider is its learning curve. While ClearVoice is easy to get started with, fully leveraging its features requires some learning. If you're looking for a tool that's ready to use out of the box, you might find tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to be more straightforward in the beginning. In conclusion, ClearVoice is a solid social media management tool, especially for businesses looking to integrate content creation with their social media strategy. However, if you're looking for a better option that offers more advanced features, scalability, and budget-friendly plans, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.